Hello, I'm speaking to Ritvik Bharadwaj.
Yes.
Ritvik, this side Shalini from Opstree. I've got a profile over Naukri. Are you looking for a job change?
Yes, sir.
You have shared a profile with me too for this DevOps profile. I'm speaking from Opstree. This is purely a DevOps company right now located in Noida, and we have the opportunities for Delhi NCR.
Yes.
So, Ritvik, could you please confirm me like what are the tools and technologies you have the proficiency into the DevOps? Your profile says that you have worked into the AWS, Azure,
Yes, sir.
and lots of other skills.
Yes.
Linux also.
Hmm.
So, which out of all the skills you mentioned, where you do have the strongest knowledge?
Stronger knowledge in, I was in cloud migration program, so in AWS, and
Mm-hmm.
the strongest I cannot say I will rate myself equally in all the tools.
Okay, but
And
where?
if I talk about like shell scripting and Kubernetes, for those I have basic knowledge.
Okay, so AWS and Azure, how long you are working on?
Azure for 1 year and AWS for 2 years. In total 3 years. In Amdocs I was working previously, so my task was I was in basically cloud migration program.
Okay, and Docker, how long?
And Docker around 2 years.
So how much would you rate yourself on AWS out of 5?
3.
On Azure?
Azure around 2.5.
On Docker?
3.
Okay. On Shell scripting?
Shell scripting 2.
On
Shell
Linux?
and Linux 3. Linux 3.5.
Okay. So is that fine? And what is the notice period you have received?
Actually, 4th of Feb was my last working day.
Okay, so you are not working right now?
No. Actually, my project got rolled off, so I was working for Amdocs on the third party payroll. So that project got rolled up. Actually, that got completed. So I am searching for job as of now.
Okay. So Ritik, is that fine? Because I'm not the technical person. So can I ask you basic questions on this AWS or Linux?
And how much time it will take?
It will take two minutes only.
Okay.
So on Linux, on AWS, can we convert public subnet to private subnet?
Yeah, for that we need NAT gateway.
Okay.
Or NAT stack.
Okay. S3 is a block storage or object storage?
S3 is a object storage.
How to create replica of EC2 instance?
Either take a snapshot or make it an image. But so if you take the snapshot, image will consist of both volumes and the instance. And if you are taking the other one, only volume will be taken.
What is the use of CloudFront in AWS?
Cloud?
CloudFront.
CloudFront is a CDN, content delivery network. So let's say a server is lying in US, and if you create another server for that service at India only for latency reduction purpose. So for that, CloudFront is used.
Okay. And what are the security practices you have worked in AWS?
Security practices include if you want to secure all the EC2 instances, so for that NACL is used. And if you want to secure a particular EC2 instance, for that security groups are used. And what else? So these kind of security measures we can use. Another that we use private VPCs for the security.
Okay. And what is AWS CloudTrail?
CloudTrail?
Yes.
So I have not worked on CloudTrail, but I have the basic idea. It is a monitoring service basically to monitor the databases in AWS.
What is the difference between Elastic and public IP?
Elastic IP is if you want to assign a particular public IP to any EC2 instance so that it does not get changed. But if that IP is attached to a EC2 instance and it is being used for a single EC2 instance, in that case it is not chargeable, or otherwise in all the cases it is chargeable. And other one was which IP? Public IP.
Elastic and public, yes.
Huh?
Elastic and public.
Ah,
Public
Elastic
IP.
IP is, I have already told you, and public IP is that if any random public IP is assigned to the EC2 instance.
Okay, so let me know, Ritvik, if I can schedule your interview tomorrow anytime.
Tomorrow, which time?
You let me know when can I schedule.
On second half.
Second half. Okay, 3 p.m.
Around after 4 p.m. Is it possible?
Okay. Okay, 5 is fine. I'll
Uh,
need to check for 5 p.m. because the thing is, the interviewer who have the idea on the AWS SLAC job,
mhm.
they can be available at 12 p.m. only.
12 p.m.
It will be
Okay,
for half an hour only.
okay, you do
So,
one thing. You schedule at 3 p.m.
okay, okay.
For tomorrow.
Yes, I'm dropping you the invite. My name is Shalini.
Mhm.
So I'll share the calendar. You just need to acknowledge the invite.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm. Yes,
Yes.
thank you.
And hope you know about this company, Opstree.
So actually, I had given interview last year as well.
Okay, what happened that time?
Yeah, but second round was very technical, so I was not shortlisted back then.
With whom you had the technical round?
I don't know the name, but I once
Okay.
I had given the interview. Actually,
Okay,
I
no
know the
problem.
Opstree. It's a very core DevOps company. Even he was asking for the Docker. You might be aware of Docker. So
Yes,
all
yes, yes.
the interview got very tough.
Okay, no problem.
So are you scheduling for tomorrow?
Yes, I'm scheduling it for tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Thank
Okay. Okay. Thank you.